Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing June's box of Eyescream Beauty. And I got some thoughts. Is it a hit or a miss? Keep on watching. Alright, so I got June's box right here. And I'm ready to open it. This is really stuffed because there's a little lump here and there's something big in here. I'm curious to see what it is. Okay, the thing that's sticking out is this right here. This is the versatile kabuki brush, perfect for applying and blending bronzers. This is way too big for my face. Guess how much this is? This retails for $42. It's by Cheeky Rose Beauty. Let me open it up. Look at this. This is gigantic. It's very soft though. It is super soft. This is too huge for me. I can't put bronzer like that. And it says it right here. It's perfect for applying and blending bronzers, highlighters, and lotions, foundations, and many more. So you can use this for multiple things. Maybe foundation. Oh, this, I think I can see myself using it as for foundation, but not highlighter and bronzer. It's too big for my face. That's the first item. Then I see here Babe Beauty liquid highlight drops, and I guess the color is champagne. This retails for $35. Is vegan and cruelty free. Fancy. Look at this. Look at this little thingy here. Okay, it's called Champagne and it has 0.71 ounces. Let me just put a little drop here so you can see it. Actually pretty nice. And I've never tried, I think, liquid highlighters. I've tried cream highlighters and of course powder ones, but I've never tried liquid highlighters, so I'm eager to try that out. I see here Max Lash Volumizer Mascara, and this retails for $24. I'm assuming it's, yeah, shade black. I was running out of mascara, so super excited about this. Hopefully I love it. We have here a Lip Perfection, 2 lip pencils from B Bella. One is in Very Sexy, which is this one, and Only Yours, which is this one. I like the colors. And the dual lip liner for Day and Night retails for $7. It doesn't say if it's $7 each or the duo. I think it's the duo because it doesn't say each, so both of them for $7. Let me open it up and show you the colors. This one is Very Sexy and Only Yours. One is darker than the other one. This one's more like a wine color. Next, I see, I guess, 2 eyeshadow palettes. They're called Sweet and Lavender palettes. Retails for $24. This is the sweet one. It's by this brand. And it brings 9 colors. It's cruelty and vegan free. Oh, it brings a mirror. It's very, very pastel, very light. Let me take this off. There's that one, and then there's the lavender one. Also brings 9 shades. So I'm gonna put everything on my face. Okay, in case you're wondering, I use the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And as the foundation, I use the Fenty Pro Filter in shade 145. I haven't set it. I only set my eyelids and underneath my eyes so it doesn't crease. And I'm sick and tired of this dry patch that I have here, and I've had that for months, and I've tried every eye cream that I have every face cream that I have and it won't go away. Help me. If you know about a good cream for dry patches, please let me know, because I want to get rid of that. I don't want to go to the dermatologist for that, because one, is super expensive here, and they give you appointments for like 3 months away or something, and I don't want to wait that long. I mean, it's so bad. It's always in the same spot, and it's driving me crazy. But anyway, let's try the highlighter. I don't know how many drops you have to use. Let me first put a little cream. Where is my cream bronzer? I should have one. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. Honey Drip. I don't want nothing too crazy. Okay, I went all with creams, and I used the NYX Sweet Cheeks in shade Baby Doll for blush. Now I'm gonna use the highlighter. And I completely forgot to use this for foundation, so I'm gonna try to use it as a highlighter brush, which it just seems so big for it. But I'm gonna use the tip side of it and see. If not, I'll just use my fingers. I don't know how many drops I have to do of this. I'm just gonna place it here. Holy crap, it's very pigmented. I think I put way too much, and it dries super fast. Oh no, I can't blend it. It's dry. It dried. It dried down so fast. I think it's best with your fingers to apply it. It's a stunning color. I mean, it is a beautiful color. It's just, it dries so fast. Now I just have 2 stripes on my face. Look at that. Let me see how I fix this.
2,000 years later.
FYI, use very little and blend extremely quickly with your fingers. Forget about the brush. I try to fix it. So I'm gonna powder the rest of my face and I'll be right back. I think what I'm gonna do is dabble into both palettes. I'm gonna start with this shade up here. Okay, I'm done. I tried everything and I got some thoughts. The brush. The brush I'm gonna have to try with the foundation because I forgot in this video and I only try to use it with the highlighter. But the highlighter, the liquid highlighter, it dries way too fast. It brings a lot though, and the color is stunning and very in your face. But for me personally, I like subtle highlighters. I don't like highlighters to be that strong. So this is a pass for me. I don't really like this one that much. The eyeshadow palettes, I try to dabble into both of them, and they're so light. They're very light pastels, and I like pastel colors, but I need a little bit of pigment so I can work with, and at least need a shade, at least one shade to be deep enough to deepen the outer corners or deepen the crease, because the only one that I could use that was deeper than all of them, including both palettes, was this lavender color here, and it's a shimmer color, and I don't personally like deepening up everything with a shimmer, you know what I mean? Like I want a matte to deepen up the outer corners or the crease. So I don't really like this palette. I had to build it up a lot, and the shimmers that I tried, especially this green one, it was almost white. It didn't look green at all. And I tried this yellow looks white. So I was like, I don't know what to do, what color to put in my lower lash line, because all of them were so light. I just don't like these at all. For the lip liners, I went in with a dark shade, and I like it. It's a little bit on the dry side though, so if you don't like that, then you're probably not gonna like this. It's okay. I think for me personally, the winner of this box was the mascara, because I have short and very thin eyelashes and they go down, so it's very hard for me to lift them, and I think this did a pretty good job. I like this one a lot. Out of everything that I got, I think I like the mascara which retails for $24. So, and I paid for the box $25, so basically I paid for this. Again, I have to try the brush with foundation. Maybe I'll end up liking this too, so we'll see. But yeah, this box was kind of meh for me. It depends on your taste. You probably look at this and say, oh, I could work with that, or I like the highlighter, and you just work really fast with it, because it is a stunning color. It's just, it dries so fast. It didn't give me any time to blend. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.